Good evening. We're back again for another lesson in our second lesson in palm reading. When I left last time, I asked you to look at the heart line, the headline and the lifeline. If you have been looking in other people's hands, you will recognize these lines now, and we'll go deeper into them. We have the heart line, the headline and the lifeline. The heart line comes across the hand below the fingers. It can be straight, showing the person is more controlled in their emotions. Then it can be long. These people tend to be more over emotional. They become involved with someone and they cannot see the wrong. If they become very involved with that person, they cannot see the bad side of them. Then we have the heart line. It comes and finishes between the first and second finger. This shows a more balance in the emotion of the person. They usually become involved with those people more on their own level. Then we come for those when the line comes under the second finger and is curved. That is more or less, they can become involved with people on the wrong side of the track. So we have the control, over emotional, standard and under emotional. This line always starts from below the little finger and comes across the hand. It's never, it's hardly ever straight. It always has lines beside it or passing through it, showing an indication to someone who is friendly. If it is clear and straight, these people have a hard time becoming involved with other groups. But usually the line is. Then we have the headline. The headline starts below the first finger, between the thumb and the first finger, and comes across the hand. It can be straight, showing a practical, mathematical way towards life. Then we have the curved. When the headline is curved, it is an indication towards a very good imagination. Someone that will put that imagination within their work. Or then the line can come too far into the hand, and that will be an indication towards someone that gets a little depressed, over imagining. Very good if it's an author with a very long headline that comes down. Then we have the lifeline. That starts approximately about the same as the headline and comes in towards the centre of the hand, away from the thumb. The further it comes away, the more someone puts into the life. The closer it comes to the thumb, the less, and sometimes weakness within the inside. So we have the starting of the lifeline can start with the headline. So when it comes out from the headline and the lifeline together, then we have someone who's a little cautious in life. They tend to hold themselves back until the line starts to move away. So the longer it stays close to the headline, the longer they stay close to home. If there's a line that comes across here towards the heart line, that is an indication towards someone who's moving away from home and probably moving into a marriage. And that would be possibly in their early 20s. But the line can come away from the headline. This is someone who is more independent. When the lifeline comes away from the headline and is separated, this is someone that's more independent, more willing to take a chance and take the opportunities when they come along. The lifeline can be short or it can be long. It can be split or it can be just short. But if there is a break in the line, if it moves towards the sun, that's an indication to someone making a change in their life, which is going to look like a setback, but as it comes back out again, that's an indication that they move back and move back into the life again. So next time we're going to go to the fate line. We will have, I want you to look into the hands of your friends and neighbours and relations for the fate line, the sun line and the heart line. Those three lines I want you to look at in the hands of others, and we can join them together in our third lesson. We'll join them together within the heart line, the head line and the fate line. So we'll see you next time. Thank you.